Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a very easy garlic bread using a leftover or tira-tirang pandesal. So we will need to prepare a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of butter. So you can use salted or unsalted butter. And then we will add 2 cloves of garlic. So dalawang butil lang po ang kailangan natin. Pwede rin nyo pong dagdagan ng isa pa, make it 3 cloves if you want to have an intense garlic flavor. And then we will grate or mince the garlic. And then this time we will need the fork to blend the garlic and the butter together. We will also need to add a pinch of salt, and that's pretty much all you need. And now, if you have a parsley in your backyard, which I do have, and this is optional. So if you don't have any parsley or there's no parsley in the market in your area, you don't need to do this. You don't need to add parsley. So all you need are garlic, butter, and a pinch of salt. That's all you need. But if you have parsley, that's better. Just to add a little bit of flavor and a little bit of color in your garlic bread. Next, we will prepare our leftover or tira-tirang pandesal. We can also make use of white bread, loaf bread, dinner rolls, or any other bread that's been sitting in your fridge for ages. As long as they are not expired as yet. And then cut the pandesal into half. This time, we will need to smear up or spread a generous amount of our garlic butter. Then we will need to prepare a pan on medium heat. And then pan toast the pandesal garlic bread 1 minute on each side. And I actually did a little bit of experiment. So, yung half po na ginawa ko ay nilagay ko sa oven. Baked it at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, but the taste is not the same. So, hindi ko po siya nagustuhan. And much longer po yung sa oven, ano. So, this time, I prefer po talaga yung sa pan-toasted garlic bread. Mas masarap po siya. Mas malasa. And it's quicker. So, heto na po. Tapos na po yung other side. So, we're now toasting the other side for another minute. Okay. And there you go. Sobra pong dali talagang gumawa ng Pandesal garlic bread. So, kapag may natira po kayong mga pandesal, white bread, dinner rolls, or anything na andyan lang po sa fridge pero hindi pa po expired or malapit na mag-expired, ito po ang gawin nyo. Sobrang dali, napakasimple, at napakabilis gawin. Ang garlic bread po ay best partner po para sa mga pasta dishes, or sa pansit, or sa sopas. I actually made a baked mac for my kids kaninang umaga. So, ito po yung ipapartner ko po sa baked mac. Topped with my own or my homemade bechamel sauce. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you had fun watching this simple recipe.